Globalization, impact of globalization. Makikita ang ebidensya ng globalization kahit saan. Pero, mahalaga na ma-recognize na hindi lahat ay pabor. May mga groups na responsable sa world environmental problems. This problem includes global warming, depletion of natural resources, production of harmful chemical, at may mga groups na nagtatake advantage of developing countries like polluting industries, lacking forests, and exploiting labor. At ang loss of local culture, the tendency for developing country to interfere with developing ones, and produce power of government to control of economic activities. However, may mga tao who support globalization at nagsasuggest sa benefits in individuals and global communities. Supporters of globalization claim that there is result faster in economic growth na mabilis maka-access to new technologies, cheaper imports, and greater competition. And they are also argue na globalization will make the world economy more efficient and will continue to create hundreds and millions jobs mainly in developing countries.